Hi guys, in this tutorial we will learn MySQL alias. Aliases in MySQL is used to give a temporary name to a table or column in a table for the purpose of particular query. It works as a nickname for expressing the table or column name. It makes the query short and neat. Here you can see syntax for column as well as for table. Syntax for column: select column name as alias name from table name, and syntax for table: select column name 1, column name 2 up to dash dash from table name as alias name. In this syntax, here you can see column name. It is the column name that we are going to create an alias name. Then table name. It is the table name that we are going to create an alias name. Here alias name, it is the temporary name that we are going to assign for the column or table. And here as it is optional. If you have not specified it, there is no effect on the query execution. Now we are going to see how it works with database. First we create the new table. Now we are going to create new table which is student info. Create table, table name which is student info, student underscore info. Then give the column name student ID. It contains primary key, which is not null. Now second column is the student code. Data type is varchar, which contains size 15. Then third field is the student name. Data type is also varchar. And last field is the marks. After creating the table, we need to insert record into student info. Now we are going to insert first record by using insert command. Insert into student info value. ID is 1, then student code, then student name. Now subject, and last one is the mark. Here you can see I have inserted 4 records. Now we are going to use aliases on column. Select student code. Student code is the field we have to set as a roll number. From student info. Here you can see we perform the query select student code as roll number from student info. Here student code is the column and we just rename the student code by using roll number. Again we take another one example. Select student code as roll number here you can see in first query I have used only one column and in second query I use two column. You can use more than one column list. In this query I use select student code as a roll number and marks as a scores. Actually alias is works like a rename function. We also use aliases with having clause, order by clause. Now we are going to see table aliases. Table aliases, it allows us to specify the table name with a different name. Mostly table aliases use for more than single tables and connect them using the join operation. Again perform query by using select command for table aliases. Select student underscore details dot column name. Student underscore details, it's a table name, or we can say table alias. Student details dot student name. Here you can see output after performing the query by using table aliases. In this query, select here you can see select student details dot column name, again student details dot number of column name from our original table, and here we can use as student details. That means here student detail is the alias name and student info is the original table name. Thank you guys.